Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer. In this video, let us take a look at W4 warning sign classification called road width signs. Road width. This warning signs is used at a sudden change of road width, either narrowing or widening of roads. Okay, there are several sizes, and those are indicated in the table. So from size 450, 600, 750, 450, 600, 750. So, and we have 900. So there are 4 different sizes. Okay. And there are 4 different subtypes in this W4 classification. So we have narrow bridge, narrow road narrows, divided road, and divided roads. So let us look at it one by one. So W4, this one, we have narrow bridge. So we are going to a passageway or carriageway that is going narrower, no, than the usual. So because it is a bridge, maybe that is the case. No? Narrow bridge sign is used on approaches to all road bridges having a width between curves of 5.5 meters or less. Okay. So 5.5 meters road or less, you have to use this sign. Between 5.5 meters and 6 meters in exceptional cases of high-speed sections of roads with heavy traffic volume. Okay. Less than that of approach pavement regardless of its width. If the width of the bridge is less than that of the approach pavement. Okay. But 5.5 or less, automatic. Okay. So 5.5 to 6 meters depends on the volume of the traffic. So these are the usual sign. So it could have what? A rectangular plate, but the symbol is still the same. No? Same is triangular red boundary. Okay. Narrow bridge. The next one is W4, that's 2 road narrows. Okay. Almost similar to bridge. What is the difference? So very critical difference. Okay. Almost the same with the narrow roads and narrow bridge. But this time there is no bridge. Okay. So take note of this part. Okay. That part. Okay. So we have this type with just a line. Okay. There is no complex symbol. So meaning the W for this one is more complex in terms of symbol. Okay. The road narrow sign is used for a reduction of the pavement width may constitute a hazard. Okay. On a 2-lane road, okay, there is a reduction in pavement width of 1.2 meters or more. 2-lane road. Okay. So more than 1 meters reduction in width. So you have to use. The travel lane is reduced in width by 600 mm or more. Travel lane. Okay. Travel lane is not a pavement width, because there is a curve on both sides. Okay. So the travel lane reduced by 600 mm. Okay. We already know what are these technical terms. Okay. Technical terms, travel lane. The overall pavement width is reduced to 5.5 meters or less. So 5.5 meters. Okay. So usually the smallest road is 6 meters. So if you are 5.5 meters or less, you have to use road narrows sign. Okay, like this. On a multi-lane road, including one carriageway of a divided road, there is a reduction in the number of lanes. Okay, so 4 lanes, it became 3 lanes. So you have to use this. Okay. Okay, next type is W. So W for the street. So divided road side. So the road is divided to one motorist of the approach to a divided road when the median island is more than, okay, median meaning the center island. Center island, median means center. Median island is more than 300 in length. 300 mm. Okay. In 300 meters in length. Okay. At mm. Okay. So divided road. So divided road because there is now a divider, which is the center island. Okay. Okay. And the last one, the last type is end divided road. So end of the island. No? End divided road sign is used when the end of section or divided road is a warning of a two-way traffic light. So meaning, usually we can see this when we are entering the population or the municipal area, the central district of the municipal area or the city centers. There are islands in order to separate one traffic to another, and afterwards it will again merge, okay, in a two-way traffic. Okay, so that is the purpose of this. Okay, and therefore you can advancedly think that if you want to do a U-turn, do it now before you enter this divided road side, because you can U-turn at the end divided road. Okay, and by that means 300, at least 300 meters minimum length. Okay, 300 meters. If there is a sign, but there are islands that there's no sign, you can just see there's no sign, less than 300 meters with the central island. Okay, and with this, let us summarize this road width signs. Okay, we have a narrow bridge, road narrows, divided road, and divided roads. So there are 4 of them in this W4 classification. Again, see you in this meeting. This is Dr. EYPEI, Preaching Engineering for Nation Building.